Hi, this is Connie with Free Motion by the River, and I am back today with day 6 of the 2025 Advent calendars. I've got the large box from Soft Squares, and I did look up the price, and this one I paid $325 for. There is a smaller one. It's a 12-day, and let's see, what did I pay for it? I wrote it down. Oh, I paid $165 for the small one. On the Missouri Star Quilt Company box, this was $200. I did this video and it goofed up, so I'm doing it again. So I have opened it, but we'll pretend I haven't. So, Soft Squares. This was the package from Soft Squares. And there is a nice tote bag in here. That's always great to put a quilt project, which, like I said, I'll be doing some in January. This is day 6. It's one of my favorite projects in this year's box. You will need the light box from day 5 that I showed to make this easy. You are getting everything you need to create an 18 by 18 inch block, which you can use in a wall hanging or quilt with additional fabrics. The additional fabric in the kit will allow you to make a large throw pillow. Let's see what's in here. This is a piece of navy blue with a teal dot, and it's about 23 inches. So I got a feeling this is for like the back of the pillow. Then this is huge. Oh, look at this. This is big. And what this is I'm sure you're going to cut out these pieces of fabric and applique onto that. And I can't remember what kind of a cowl that's called. Highland cowl? But that looks cute. And who makes the fabric? Lewis and Irene. Feels nice. Feels very, very nice. Yep. There you go. So you have that. Then there is also included a pencil, Quilter's Choice, Quilter's Choice white marking pen, and then Strongest No Sew adhesive. This is Heat and Bond Ultra Hold, which I don't usually like the Ultra Hold, but we'll see. Maybe I'll try it. And a little pencil sharpener for this. So that's cute. And I forgot to look at my paper. We'll just pretend you didn't hear that stuff that fell on the floor. This is day 6. The value of this is $29. Pretty cool. In here, well, I'll leave it out because I'll take a picture of it for you. Day 6 of Missouri Star Quilt Company. Those are so pretty. Okay. Oh, word of the day pillow. And you use your scraps to make it. Got the directions. And you can make a pillow that is 16 by 16, one that's 12 by 20, and 20 by 36. You get the So Light fusible, which is that's kind of fusible. I like. Very lightweight. Oh, this is cool. And this is templates. See, whoop, get rid of that hair. So it's the whole alphabet. I'm not sure if there's numbers. I don't know. We'll see. Might just be the alphabet. But you can see these are very nice size. That'll be a fun project. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I received in the boxes for day 6. And please subscribe to my channel and come back tomorrow and see what we have for day 7. Thank you.